Having trouble with your Tesla app not verifying your name change? This video will walk you through the common causes and, more importantly, how to fix them. The core issue often stems from Tesla's account verification system, which ties your profile to vehicle ownership and service entitlements. Mismatches can lock you out of key features like supercharging and software updates. We will cover profile, region, and overall account verification issues. The verification process begins when you access the Profile section in the Tesla app to change your name. A moving cursor simulates navigating the app interface. Next, you'll need to submit ID proof such as a driver's license or passport that match your new name. These documents must be clear and up to date. Tesla's servers then cross-reference the submitted information with your vehicle registration and payment methods to verify the change. Common issues include sync delays or API timeouts, which can cause verification failures. To ensure success, make sure your documents are clear, up to date, and the information matches exactly. No expired IDs or mismatches. Profile sync issues can create significant roadblocks after submitting your documents for name verification. The Tesla app needs to pull updated data from Tesla's servers, but cache inconsistencies can prevent this synchronization. The core issue often lies in the app's cache, stored data that becomes outdated. When cache data conflicts with new server information, the app fails to sync your profile changes. For Android devices, the solution is to clear the Tesla app's cache. This removes old stored data without affecting your account information. On iOS devices, a complete reinstall of the Tesla app often resolves sync issues. This forces the app to download fresh data from the servers. Additional troubleshooting steps include force quitting the Tesla app completely and restarting your phone. These actions clear temporary memory and can resolve underlying sync problems. According to Tesla's recent updates, synchronization delays have been significantly reduced, often completing within hours rather than days. However, if issues persist, patience and repeating these steps may be necessary. Moving to a new country triggers region-specific verification problems in the Tesla app. The app must update geolocation settings, currency, and feature availability like autopilot. This requires additional KYC checks to comply with local laws. In the app, navigate to Profile Settings to initiate a region change. The system will prompt for verification to ensure compliance with regional regulations. KYC verification involves automated processes to validate your identity and ensure regulatory compliance. This may include checking customer data and maintaining audit trails. Region changes often require additional documentation. In the UK, common proof of address includes utility bills, bank statements, and government correspondence. In Germany, notarized documents with official seals and apostilles may be required to verify your new residence and identity changes. Name changes in the Tesla app can sometimes trigger a mandatory two-factor authentication reset as a security measure. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. When this happens, follow the app's prompts carefully to re-enable two-factor authentication. This usually involves verifying your identity through your phone or an authenticator app. There's a known bug in the iOS version of the Tesla app where name changes can revert after app restarts, which may prompt another 2FA reset. Android users generally experience fewer of these issues. Ensuring your two-factor authentication is properly set up and functioning is crucial for maintaining secure access to your Tesla account and all its features. If you've tried the previous steps and your name change still isn't verified after 48 hours, it's time to escalate to Tesla support. As of December 2025, response times are generally within 24 to 48 hours, with a 95% success rate for verifications. When contacting support, use the Tesla app's support chat or visit tesla.com/support. To contact support, navigate to the Tesla app support section. You can use the in-app chat or visit the website. Provide clear details about your issue. When submitting your request, be sure to provide your vehicle identification number or VIN, screenshots of any error messages, and details of the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This helps support resolve your issue quickly. Remember to be patient but persistent. If you don't hear back within 48 hours, follow up with your support ticket. According to recent surveys, about 12% of users encounter verification issues, with an average cost of $50 in support fees or downtime. The future of verification is moving towards automation. Tesla is integrating machine learning for anomaly detection, reducing false positives. By 2026, Tesla plans to adopt decentralized identity systems, potentially eliminating app-specific bugs and enabling seamless name updates via third-party wallets. While privacy concerns remain, these advancements promise a smoother user experience. To recap the key points for smooth Tesla app verification: ensure your documents are accurate and current, clear your app cache regularly, prepare for any region-specific requirements, and don't hesitate to contact Tesla support if issues persist. Proactively clearing your cache and keeping the app updated prevents many future verification issues. Remember, patience is key during the verification process, and Tesla is continuously working to improve its verification systems. Thanks for watching.